So in this video lecture I am going to explain how to sort the given list using Biotics technique, Biotics sort technique. Here the given list is 6, 15, 29, 30, 17, 15, 9, 4. Now we are going to sort the given list using applying the Biotics sort technique. If you want to apply the Biotics sort technique, first you have to verify the given list is in Biotics sequence or not. So the solution, first you have to see the given numbers in the sequence are in Biotics sequence. So you can apply the Biotics sort technique. See 6 increasing, 29 increasing, 30 increasing, decreasing, 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 decreasing. So in the given list up to 30 the numbers in increasing order, from 30 to 4 the numbers in decreasing order. That means the numbers in the sequence are first increasing order then decreasing order. So the given sequence in Biotics sequence. So the given sequence is Biotics sequence. You can directly apply the Biotics sort. Step 2. Compare the elements in the sequence with the length 4. That means compare the element. That means this is a comparison network you have to apply. That means half cleaner we are going to apply for these 8 numbers. So now you have the comparison of network. In the comparison network you have to give the comparators. These two numbers you have to give the comparators. 4 comparators you have to use. So what is the first 2 inputs for the first comparator, second 2 inputs for the second comparator, and so on you have to verify it. The inputs for the first comparator is 1, 5. Given to the location 1 and fifth values given to the first comparator. Similarly 2, 6 given to the second comparator, 3, 7 third comparator, 4, 8 fourth comparator. Now see index of the numbers 1 to 8. Now in this index 1, 5, this is your length 4. Compare the elements in the sequence with length 4. That is compare the sequence in the length 4 is nothing but the first element and fifth element give it to the first comparator, and second element, sixth element give it to the this is the one second 4 length. Second element and sixth element give the comparator to second comparator, and third element, seventh element given to the third comparator, and fourth element and eighth element is given to the fourth comparator. Now once you have to give this comparator, what is the output of this one? So 6, 17 you will get. What is the output we are giving? Input for this comparator is 6, 17. What is the output we are getting? 6, 17 only. Same. Next 15, 15, 15, 15. Once you compare 15, 15, what is the output we are getting this particular comparator? 15, 15 only. Now 15, 15 we are getting. Next 29 and 15, 29 and 9. So for this, what is the output? 9, 29. So 9, 29. Because it is a comparator, compare the input values. We are giving 2 input values. Output, what is the output? First output is smaller value, second output is greater value. That is why 29, 9 we have given. It will give 9, 29. That means swapping it. 9, 29 will get. Next, fourth comparator. What is the fourth comparator? Compare the values 4 and 8. 4 with 30 and 4. So what is the output for this comparator? 430. So 430. So this is the after first depth 1 comparison, parallel comparison, you will get the output as this one. So next you go for with length 2. Divide the list into 2 halves and compare the sequence of elements with the length 2. That means we have divide these 8 elements into 2 half cleaners. First half cleaner and second half cleaner of getting. The first half cleaner again we have to apply length 2. Compare the length 2. So compare the length 2 in the sense first and third give the first comparator, 15 and 4 give the second comparator. So 6, 9 first comparator is not what is the output you are getting? 6, 9 only. 15 4 is not 4, 15 vastundi. Because smallest value first comes, next greatest value first comes. This is the comparator operator. So in Bidani sort, what we are doing is the first we have to see that the given sequence in Bidani sequence or not. Once it is a Bidanic sequence, then we have to apply the length 4. Length 4 means apply the input values to the comparators. So first and fifth input values give it to the first comparator. Second and sixth, third, seventh, fourth, eighth elements, like that we have to give the respective comparators to generate an output. Already we know the comparator output. Now after first step is over, then come to the compare with the length with 2 in the sequence. Divide the list into two halves. This is the first half and this is second half. First half, that means half first this particular half cleaner is divided into two halves. 8 is divided into two half cleaners. Again half cleaner, this is a comparison network. Again this is also one comparison network. So one half cleaner is divided into two half cleaners. Now this is one comparison network and this is one comparison network. Apply the comparison network technique again. What is the comparison network technique here? First and length 2 means first and third give it to the first comparator, and second and fourth give it to the second comparator. So once we give the comparator 6, 9, what generates output? 6, 9 only. 15, 4 means first output is 4, second output is 15. That means 4, 15 will get. Similarly, here it is again a comparison network. Again first and third give it to the first comparator, and second and third give it to the second comparator. Now compare this one, these two comparisons at a time parallelly. 17, 29, get the output 17, 29 only. 15, 30 will get the 15, 30. Now this is the recursive calling of this particular thing and this particular thing. Now this is in solid order, this is in solid order. Now but again compare the elements with length 1 again, length 1 now. So these two, one comparator, these two give it to the second comparator. These two input values give it to one comparator, and these two give it to the another comparator. Now 6, 4, it will give 4, 6. But because the input values are 6 and 4, what is the first output the comparator generate? Smallest value. That's why 4, 6 will get it. So 9, 15 means we will get 9, 15 only. Now come to this one. This is the one comparator, 17, 15. So we will get 15, 17. Because from the 17, 15 input to the comparator, it generates the first least value as the first output. So 15 is the first, 17 is the second one. 29, 30, 29, 30 will get it. Now after length 1 is over, your list is in solid order. What is your solid order? 4, 6, 9, 15, 15, 17, 29, 30. So this is the sorted order by applying the Bidani sorter. Here the thing is only you have to see that how to sort the given numbers using Bidani sort. First you see that given numbers must be in Bidanic sequence. Then only you have to apply the Bidanic sorter. What is the Bidanic sequence? In the given sequence, the numbers first in increasing order, then decreasing order. Then only the list is in Bidanic sequence. If it is a Bidanic sequence, then directly you can apply Bidanic sorter. Now see, 6, 15 increasing order, 15 to 29 increasing, 15 to 29 to 30 increasing, 30 to 70 decreasing, 17 to 50 decreasing, 15 to 9 decreasing, 9 to 4 decreasing. Listen carefully once again, I will explain this particular technique. Now if you are observing that the given sequence is Bidanic sequence. So step 1, the given number in the sequence are in Bidanic sequence. So we can apply directly Bidani sorter. What is the Bidani sorter? We have to use the off-linear concept. So in off-linear concept, first we have to do compare the elements in the sequence with the length 4. Compare the elements 1, 5. That means these 8 elements has given to the A1 to A8 as input weights. So now we use the 4 comparators here. So A input values ni first comparator ఇవ్వాలి 1, 5. Already we know I plus n by 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ని కంపారిటర్స్కి ఇవ్వాలి. I 1 అయినప్పుడు I plus n by 2 అంటే 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. I plus n by 2 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? I అంటే 1, I plus n by 2 అంటే 1 plus 8 by 2 5 అంటే 1, 5. this is the first wire and fifth wire. That means first wire ante 6, fifth wire ante 17. Now first give the index numbers to list values 1 to 8. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫస్ట్ కంపారిటర్కి ఏ వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వాలి ఇన్పుట్గా? 1 ఫిఫ్త్ లొకేషన్లో ఉండే వాల్యూస్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇవ్వాలి, అంటే 6 to 17. సెకండ్ కంపారిటర్కి ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి? సెకండ్ లొకేషను 6th లొకేషన్లో ఉండేది. థర్డ్ కంపారిటర్కి థర్డ్ లొకేషను 7th లొకేషన్లో ఉండేది ఇవ్వాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ కంపారిటర్కి 4th and 8th ఇవ్వాలి. వన్స్ that is called comparison with length 4. So all these 4 comparisons made parallelly at a time, in one unit of time 4 comparisons made at a time. That's why this is a comparison network is a parallel network, parallel comparison network, parallel comparison to sort the elements. So మన జనరల్గా సార్టింగ్లో అయితే ఒక్కొక్క ఎలిమెంట్ one comparison at a time will perform, but here see 4 comparators start their comparison operation at a time. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ కంపారిటర్ 1 5 6 17 ఇన్పుట్ ఇస్తే అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 6 17 వస్తుంది. సో 6 17 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ కంపారిటర్కి 15 15 ఇచ్చాం, విల్ గెట్ 15 15 ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ కంపారిటర్కి 29 9 ఇచ్చాం. నా ఇన్పుట్ 29 9 ఇస్తే కంపారిటర్కి అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 9 29 వస్తుంది. సో 9 29 మారింది అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ కంపారిటర్ 34 ఇచ్చాము. సో 34 ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? అవుట్పుట్ ఫస్ట్ లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ వాట్ ఈస్ ద లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఫర్ 30 and 4 4 వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. 4 తర్వాత 30 వస్తుంది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ఫస్ట్ depth 1 or depth 1 is over, your list is like this. Next go to the divide the list in 2 halves and compare with the sequence elements with length 2. length 2 చేస్తాము. length 2 అంటే 2, length 2 అంటే 1 3 2గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఫస్ట్ 4 length 4 is over, the list is divided into 2 halves. That means half cleaner is divided into 2 half cleaners. So Brytonic sort of n equal to Brytonic sort n by 2, Brytonic sort n by 2. Already we have seen the diagram of a Brytonic sorter. So n value Brytonic sorter iste it will compare the fourth length. After that it divides 2 parts for 4 elements. Brytonic sort of n by 2, Brytonic sort of n by 2. That means this list is divided into 2 parts, n by 2, n by 2. So once it is divided into 2 parts, again apply the comparison network. This is one comparison network and this is one comparison network. For this comparison network, apply length 2. Length 2 means 1, compare 1 and 3 elements, give it to the one comparator. 15 and 4 give it to the another comparator. Now 6 9, once you have given the comparator, what will output we are getting? 6 9 only. 15 4 we are giving, 4 15 we are getting. Similarly for the list 2, again list 2 is one more comparison network. For this network comparison network, again 17 and 29 give it input to the one comparator, 15 30 give it to the another comparator, and these two comparator perform the comparison operation at a time. Now 17 29 operator comparator ఇచ్చినప్పుడు 17 29 వస్తుంది, 17 29 వస్తుంది. 15 30 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు again 15 30 వస్తుంది. So this is the after length 2. Again next compare the elements with length 1. That means these two you have to give one comparator, these two give to another comparator, these two one comparator, these two one comparator, and 4 comparators start their comparison at a time. Now see 6 4 input to the comparator, what is the output we are getting? 4 6. 9 15 we are giving the input to the comparator, what is the output we are getting? 9 15 only. 17 15 we are giving input to the comparator, what is the output we are getting? 15 17. Why? Because least value first output వస్తుంది, highest value second output వస్తుంది comparator. Similarly 29 30 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? 29 30 వస్తుంది. So this is the output generating by the comparison network after making the comparison with length 1. See what is the list is sorted order or not. After making the comparison with one elements, your list is going to be sorted. Now see what is the list elements: 4 6 9 15 15 17 29 30. Now this is the sorted list. This is an example how to sort the elements using Botanic salt. Thank you.